Hello, my name is Hakim Erwin, Product Genius, and today I will be displaying for you the Apple iPhone 4S, which is my favorite piece of technology. Now, if you'll notice, one of the first things that on my iPhone is a case. The iPhone is a very slim and very fragile phone, so you want to make sure when you're purchasing your phone that one of the first things you also buy in addition to it, one of the accessories, is a case, because that'll help you if you're clumsy like I am and you drop your phone. It'll be very well protected. And also, one of the beautiful things about the case is they make them specific for the particular phone model so that you can access the buttons and things that the buttons and features that are on your specific phone. So you definitely want to make sure that you get a case for your phone. Then also, when you're purchasing your phone, you want to have a good idea of what it is you want to use your phone for. For example, if you want a lot of apps and you want to download a lot of things, and you want to make sure that you get an unlimited data usage package from your service provider. And also, you want to make sure that you get a phone with a lot of memory on it, particularly 32 gigabytes or maybe 64 gigabytes. That way, your phone will be able to download all of the apps and you'll be able to use them, and you'll be able to just go crazy with all your downloads. Okay, so you want to make sure in purchasing your phone that you have those things up front. So one of the first things that I want to show you very briefly is you go the power button. First of all, you want to make sure that your phone is on. You press the button up top, you hold it for about 2 or 3 seconds. Give the phone about 10 or 15 seconds to load up, depending upon how much memory and usage you have your phone for, because it's like a little computer, so you got to give it a few seconds to load up and turn on. And you go ahead and you press your enter button there, and you see that beautiful young lady is my fiance, and you go ahead and slide your button, and this shows you all of your apps and icons on your phone. Now, of course, when you first buy the phone, it doesn't have all of these apps and icons on them. So in order to get all those apps, what you do is you go to the little app store icon, and that will enable you to download all of those apps so that you can just use your phone for whatever you want to use it for. Now, what I particularly like to do when I go to the App Store is I go to the bottom and I press the search tab, and then I go into the window and then I type in whatever it is that I'm looking for. If it's a game or free cell or Spider Solitaire, which I like to play all the time, or Facebook or whatever the case is, you can go ahead and type that in the search window, and it'll give you a list of all of the different apps that you can download. Most of the apps are free. However, there are some apps that you do have to pay for. The prices usually range from about 99 cents up to like $2.99 is the most that I've seen most apps for the price of. So, and then you also want to go to your settings app, and that will enable you to change your fonts, to change your ringtones, and all the different features in the phones, to set up your Wi-Fi, your Bluetooth, all of those different settings for the actual phone itself. So, and now one of the major features of the 4S and why it has that S on there is the Siri artificial intelligence feature. Now, I'll show you how you can utilize that. You want to press and hold your enter button for about 2 or 3 seconds, and then you can give Siri, it's called a command. So let's see how it works. Find the Mercedes Benz dealer of Sugar Land, Texas.
This Mercedes Benz dealer is in Sugar Land.
Find the address for Mercedes Benz dealer of Sugar Land.
The street address for Mercedes Benz is 15625 Southwest Freeway, Sugar Land.
Nice. Thank you, Siri.
Of course.
She's so polite. So it's as easy and as simple as that, and you can pretty much get whatever you need from Siri. You just give the command and it'll give you pretty much what you need. There are limited on some things, but I would just suggest to see what she can give you. And also, one of the beautiful things about that is you don't have to have the female voice and you don't have to have English. You can go into your settings menu, and that will allow you to download Siri and a female voice, a male voice, and also various different languages. So That's my favorite feature of the Apple iPhone 4S. Now, there's a lot of other things that the phone does do, and I don't have all that time to present all of that. So that's just the basics. So that is my favorite piece of technology, my Apple iPhone 4S. Thank you for being with me. My name again is Hakim Erwin, Product Genius. Thank you, and God bless.